Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Durango headlight bulb, full guide. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the ignition, and opening the hood to access the headlight assembly. Put on gloves and safety glasses, then locate the back of the headlight where the bulb connects. Remove the cover or retaining clip, gently unplug the connector, and carefully remove the old bulb while avoiding any contact with the glass surface. With the hood open and work light set, focus on the bulb housing and retaining parts. Use a flat tool if needed to gently lift the retaining clip or twist off any caps, keeping parts organized. Carefully unplug the electrical connector straight from the bulb base, then remove the bulb with a steady pull. Inspect the socket for corrosion and clean if necessary before fitting the new bulb into place. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: bring some music and voice control to your garage with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used here. It makes timing turns and playlists easier while you work. Look in the description for the link and other deals related to tools and parts. Then now let's get back to the video. Before touching the replacement bulb, put on gloves and handle it by the base only to avoid oil transfer. Align the bulb with the socket and press gently until it seats fully, then reattach the retaining clip or cap to secure it. Reconnect the electrical plug and switch on the headlight briefly to confirm operation and alignment. Finally, replace any covers and lower the hood when you are finished and satisfied with the result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.